joining our party very soon. Many more leaders are going to join our party.
National President ke National People's Party Conrad ke sangma badai ru Myntri rang bak kajela ula aidak ban ai Shuki Myntri Sarkar ya uba Samlin malnyang kertong ke NPP na soyong lada ujob kumu MLA hakani ka election kaban Shillong hakashipau tarik ujemang. Conrad ula keren yakani hakajingalap election kabala long hakrang kabadan langru nadu National Vice President uba Preston tensong. Nalor kata Conrad ula keren ru halor ka mining ka kamjungo kai perthai bat kiwai.
This NPP government has been working tirelessly to open up the mining in our state. We filed the case in 2019, and after 2019 the Supreme Court has lifted the ban on the mining that was there put in by NJT. After that, the Supreme Court had asked government of Meghalaya and India to work on different mining plans and lease to allow proper scientific mining to take place. On this very important day, I would like to inform all of you that the day has come. Government of India has finally approved the mining lease for 4 miners. Government of India is now under the process, and Government of Meghalaya is now under the process to do the final paperwork for the scientific mining to start. And within a matter of 60 days from now, scientific mining process will start in the state. Today the chairman of the meeting has mentioned that if Samlin wins, then he should be given a minister. I want to tell you, this is only the engagement that is happening now. Wedding has not taken place yet. After you give us our son-in-law to the assembly from the NPP side, you give us our son-in-law Samlin to come in. Then in the wedding day we will decide on how to go forward about the cabinet. So let the wedding day come. Let him become an MLA. Let him come into our assembly, and we all will take this issue very seriously. But Samlin is somebody who has worked very closely with me. He is like my brother. He will tell you. I don't have to tell you. He will tell you. He is my brother. Even when he was minister and even when he was not minister. Whenever Samlin has come to me and requested me that I need this road, this Momaram road, it is Samlin who has requested. Today, 80 crores of road you got because of him. And can you imagine, we are now planning to make this entire route into a tourism destination. This area has so much of potential for tourism you can't imagine. All the tourists from all over the country and all over the world will be happiest to come and have the tourism experience here. The potential is huge, and I will assure you as a government, as your chief minister, that we will do all the necessary development and the necessary investment to ensure that this entire sector develops as a tourism sector, so that all our young boys and girls and all our people out here can get good livelihood out of tourism. We will develop the tourism sector so that people will get livelihood.